Good day. I hope you're doing great. So, now with another video. On this one, actually, I just want to show you. You remember a few weeks ago, I did show you about the system that we actually have currently, which is actually $50. So, this is actually a funded account, which was actually, I started this week actually. But I think, yeah, let's say started funded last week, Thursday, Friday. Then, but I started trading nicely actually this week. So the system is quite simple, way too simple. So what the system does is it just shows you what might happen. It doesn't actually complicate whatever on the chart. It will just print, you see this yellow or maybe gold candlesticks. That is actually like actually how the market might react after. So if you see something like that, obviously you're going to buy. Just you can see it's USOIL actually I bought, so I'm expecting a nice reversal before going back. And this thing is very smart because if you check where it's a thing, maybe we're going to actually go back or bounce back. If you go back, you will see that actually that zone where the market thinks maybe we will go back, it's actually around the support, or now is going to be actually our resistance. Do you see that? So let's check other pairs. So I will just leave this or actually on 1 hour, as I like trading on 1 hour. So let's start with USD CHF. So on USD CHF, you can easily see that actually our system thinks, let me just try to zoom a little bit. Yeah, I think this way is much better. So the market has been pushing up actually. So but you can see that the system still thinks that we might still have another push, and from here we will be expecting a very nice sell. That makes sense because mostly when we did the analysis, we don't actually know what might happen. And remember, this is not going to work like 100%, but it's very good, like 80%, 85% of the time it's right. And I like the fact that it will try to connect to previous move. On the bottom side here, it seems like there is a support, but if we draw the line up to this point, you will see that yes, it still makes sense that we might have something there. Do you see that? And the system also respected that several times. Let's see. You can see here 3 times also until we have another breakout going to the lowest side. This is good because I've been using it maybe actually to trade this. Actually, this account started from 200,000. Let's see the results. If we go to the results, actually I already made 8,570, and this account actually left with 24 days actually to trade. So it means I can trade like almost 5 days and I will be reaching the target, which is actually 16,000. 16,000 actually for this account because it's a bigger account. You see, so it means like I'm left with maybe 8,000 or let's say 7,000 something within 7 days. You see, so it's good, very good, because it just predicts what will happen. So if maybe you wanted to buy USD CHF, you're just going to buy because we expect the market to push a little bit higher. Then after we can have a nice sell. But on this one, just because you also have to have an experience, I think it will be good for me to sell here as I see that there is enough move to the downside. So let's check a different pair. GBP USD. I actually did sell this one today. Let me show you. I took something today. Okay, this, I'm using different screens. So let's say today, so only today I already made 1,000. So you can see GBP, I was just scalping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think. So you can see the profits. And if you check, I was just selling because it told me that the market will be going down. Yes, now we see the rejection, it's fine, but we took a nice sell. I still believe that we might see a nice sell. Yesterday, we took a buy and we still made something. So I'm still expecting maybe a very nice push to the lower side. Again, going up, something like that, you see. But this is going to be updated like every day, every hour, because this will change according to the market, actually, market movement. But remember, since the market moves in different ways, even this actually prediction might change, you see. But what I like is it doesn't really change every second. So if the market is moving like this, you might have this structure for the whole day or even tomorrow. So you're not going to panic that, oh, this thing is repainting, is changing very quick. No, you're not going to get that. So let's check the other one. Let's check Euro USD. We can see Euro USD, it tells us that we can actually buy Euro USD. It's pushing up from this area, then we can expect another sell. You see, do you see that? These yellow candlesticks there, they are not actually there. They just, I don't know how to explain that, but they are just prediction. EA prediction. Yes, I think there are people who maybe think maybe this is the same. There was a system which is doing quite similar thing, but no, this is not the same thing, you see. So here on USD/JPY, we're expecting the market to push a little bit lower, up, down again, actually to continue with that type of a structure. Do you see that? So this will actually analyze for you, know where maybe we might have future resistance. Do you see that? Resistance that we already have, then it's going to respect that, you see. Everything is going to be respected. So now you don't have to go all over the place trying to search the move. So you can see what's really happening. So since we have different systems, sometimes I like trading with maybe my own analysis, but when things are like not good, like this week, I tend to run towards the system. Why? Because sometimes I might trade with emotions, then I end up trading with the system because I just follow what is there, you see, especially on this system. So, and sometimes it's difficult just to send every signal, because when you go on every chart, you will find a move. So it means you actually have like signals for everything. Sometimes that might be not good, because people, they might say, Kenzo, why don't you send like 20 signals per day? I can't do that, obviously, but we have actually a move of like so many instruments, and it's very good when you are a trader. You should have this type of tools. If maybe things don't go well this week, you have to know that I have this tool that can actually help me to bounce back. So Euro JPY, the system thinks we might still continue going down. Another one, let's see, Euro JPY. Just look at the structure. Just look at the structure. Where the market is, we expect to push lower. Then after, we're going to have a very nice uptrend. Just look at that. We might be wrong, but just know that most of the time, this thing is good, guys. This thing is good. So if we can make $8,000 within 3 to 4 days, that's good, guys. That's good, because just imagine maybe around the whole month. So from now on, I was thinking that I should just use this like full time, because especially on currency pairs, because mostly I don't actually have enough time to go through every pair, as I actually focus on NASDAQ only. So let's go on US30. We have everything. It's going to show you everything. But another thing is, the issue is, I think maybe we might, your system, if maybe you have the same system, sometimes just because the brokers have like crazy spreads, sometimes it might take time to show you, or maybe it might show you like earlier. So on Euro USD, as we are actually confused, you can see even the system is actually confused. It doesn't actually show us anything. But when it starts to connect its dots, it's going to show us something. So let's go maybe on NASDAQ. Let's see what's really happening on NASDAQ. Even NASDAQ doesn't really show us anything. Gold doesn't really show us anything. So, and at the same time, you don't actually have to go through changing the time frames. Yes, you can change and it might show you something, but if you just go through 4 hours, 15 minutes, you're going to get confused. So on 4 hours, it shows that maybe the market might push lower, but I will prefer to get actually this prediction on 1 hour. So if maybe there's nothing, I'm not just going to jump and try to get something, you see. So on US oil, you can see I have an order here, still on negative. I'm still expecting the market to push up, as I showed you before. So yeah, I will just trying to update you on the system, how it works, because sometimes people, they want to maybe get the system, but you find out that maybe I don't really show it that much. Mostly I just show you the daily analysis and stuff. So you can see GBP USD is starting to push lower again after closing that candlestick. So actually we might take a nice sell there. Let me take this sell. I will put my stop loss around this area. Then my take profit should be around this, yeah, around maybe this area. So if we wait few minutes, you will see that this thing can get in profit very quick. This is actually 2 lots, so we are actually on $26. So let me try to see if maybe, but the thing is, I don't really want to make this video very long, but you can just check this on your own and see if maybe you like it or not. But if you want the system, it's actually $50, guys. It's actually $50. Let me know if you are interested. Let me know if maybe you want to try it. $50 for a system that you don't actually have buy, sell, buy. You know those systems where they show you buy, sell here, 1, 2, 3. You end up getting confused very quick. So on this one, it just predicts and show you what might happen. Then you just follow that. Don't complicate things, right? So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope maybe you will get the system very soon. So bye. You see, I'm waiting for that GBP USD. I think it will be going on profit very soon. Just check that it's now on $16 negative. So I'm expecting a very nice profit from there. Now it's on 10, 14. Let's see, we are not in a hurry. You can see now we're going down actually. So anyways, you can see we're on 6. Anyways, it's just bouncing all over the place. Plus the lot size is quite big. It's 2 lots, so it might bounce back. $40 is not really that much. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. If maybe you want the system, you will just let me know. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Yeah, I think you can also use this on your funded account if you have any. Then I think you can reach whatever that you want to reach very quick, very quick. So thank you very much. Bye.